Have a seat right there. Put the scooter down. No, have a seat. Just have a seat. I'm gonna tell you in a little bit. Actually, face away from me. Face away and put your hands behind your back, alright, dog? Just keep on about. I'll tell you in a little bit. I'm gonna tell you in a little bit. Just relax. I'm gonna tell you in a little bit, dude. Don't try to fight, dude. 35-foot pursuit. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Don't run. Oh, wait, man. Dude, get on the ground. Stop. Stop fighting. Stop fighting. On the ground. Come on, dude. Everybody fighting, dude. Stop fighting! Shot fired! Shot fired! Rear to the AMPM. Keep your hands out! Get out of the vehicle! Keep your hands out! To the rear of the AMPM, Hispanic male, black shirt. He's in the driver's seat of a F-150 white ink on the driver door. Don't move! Don't move! PC6 peace officer. Telling you to take him out. He put it in reverse. I fell out. He almost ran me over. No! Stay right there!